Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to turn off screen reminder cleaning on the application of Shareit. To know how to turn off screen reminder cleaning, you should just go to Shareit as you see and we click. After that, in this page, you will go down to click in this window of me. Then in this page here, we go to above to this sign. When you'll find this list, you will go to click notifications. Then here in this list, you will click in this sign of screen recordings cleaning reminder and you click. If the sign change, then you can know how to turn off screen recordings cleaning reminder on the application of Shareit. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.